and see how there is a free food for everybody to eat. And it's not just happening here at the Beam Fest, but there are branches all over in Accra, Kumasi. Anywhere you want to eat free food, just get to the Richard Nii Armah Foundation and you will be saved. So Ghana is so happy about this. We appreciate the Richard Nii Armah Foundation. May he continue to do great for the motherland. Something really caught my attention. We've all heard about the Richard Nii Armah Food Bank. You may have heard it on social media and you might think it's false. Of course it is true. The food sharing is ongoing and I'm so excited about this initiative. I heard it as a rumor, now it is happening now. So we're going to talk to them. As you can see, there's free food for everybody who wants to eat. So long as you want to eat, the Richard Nii Armah Foundation is here sharing food. So we'll talk to one of them to see what all this is all about. So come, let's go. So hi. Hi. So I can see there's some food all over here. What's going on? What is this about?
Okay, it's actually about free food, the Richard Nii Armah Quaye Foundation. I don't know if you've heard about it.
Yes, we've heard it as a rumor.
Yeah, it's very true and it's very real. We have 13 branches now.
13 branches?
Yeah, we have 5 in Accra, 4 in Kumasi, 1 in Cape Coast, 2 in Tamale, and 1 in Techiman and Sudan.
So you mean people eat for free?
Yes, for free. You only bring your Ghana card.
Just free like that.
Yes.
Okay, so what inspired this whole initiative?
Okay, I remember on his speech he said he when he grows up and he gets something, he wants to at least feed the less privileged, at least 1 meal a day.
Okay.
So I think that is the initiative he has started.
Okay. So you've been taking Ghana card. Is it that it's for only Ghanaians or anybody that is on the streets that is hungry and wants to eat?
Okay, for now the directive is Ghana card.
Ghana card.
Yes.
Okay. But at this moment you are not taking Ghana.
Here it's free. It's free. We are not using any Ghana card.
Oh, okay. This is a very good initiative. So what do you want to tell people who heard this as maybe a show off? They think it's not true. It's really not happening.
Oh, it's very true.
So talk to the camera.
Okay. I want to tell Ghanaians that it's very true.
Okay.
And you should come and patronize. We have branches in Aswa, Odoko, Madina, Ashaman, and Polygon in Accra.
Wow.
Yes.
This is so interesting to hear. I have heard so much about it, but as a rumor, so when I go here and you actually gave me food, guys, all what you heard about Richard Nii Armah's Foundation, about the free food, is actually true. As you can see, all this food you are seeing right behind us with our pretty lady and handsome gentleman is for free. So there are branches all over in Ghana that if you just hold your Ghana card, but here at the Beam Fest, you don't need Ghana card. You can come here, have your heavy meal and be satisfied. So we want to thank the Richard Nii Armah Foundation for the free food. If you think this is not true, it is a fact. So yes, you can see for yourself. I was just giving mine. This is the food. Yes, so thanks to Richard Nii Armah Foundation, the food bank is really working. Yeah, so thank you.